15 amp, 120 volt receptacle. That's the 20.
Oh, yes.
So, code is we need to have 6 inches from the back of the box. What I like to do instead is I just do this. That's funny. Cut that off. Need to find a utility knife. They make tools to do this, but I'm just using the utility knife. We're going to cut down the center because that's where I'll show you the ground is.
Yeah, let's put the casing.
Put the casing off, strip it. Pull back more. Cut that off. Pull that off. So, the black wire is our hot wire. The white one is the neutral, and this bare one with no insulation on it is the ground. Normally when you work on these, you work from ground, neutral, hot, so that if for some reason someone ahead of you was going to turn on the power, you do have a ground for safety. So we're going to put the ground in first. You can just do this. Now there's a way that we do this. So we're going to turn this screw this way, so we want the loop to be that way. If that makes sense. Turn that down good. Now, if you look closely at these screws, there's one set that's silver and one set that's this bronze color. The silver one is for their neutral, and the bronze one is for your hot part. Like I said, we're going to do ground, neutral, hot, in that order. So we're going to strip our neutral and put in that loop. My screwdriver. And that down. Okay. Now we'll do the next one. Sometimes you can use the receptacle itself to these loops. Set that down. Now, I'm going to make this all fit.
Now, did you grow up doing this, or did you just acquire it over time? Or?
I helped my father do a lot of
He's an electrician?
stuff. No, he's a handyman. He does lots of stuff. Good way to save money, if you know what you do.
Yep.
And then I worked at a controlled automation company.
Mm-hmm.
I was a panel builder.
Oh, cool.
I built a lot of control for different companies. Let's see, I've done work at Buffalo Games. I make puzzles. I've done work at Mott's. Mott's to make apple juice.
Yep.
Stuff for Campbell's soups. Yes.
So what are you studying here then?
Mechanical engineering.
Okay, so it's just accentuating what you already.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, but that's a good thing, like as an engineer, so you know, like the groundwork that's going on.
Right.
So then you know kind of what you're doing. You're doing more
Yes,
of the theory
it's-
side of things.
It's very,
you know?
very helpful to know all of this stuff going into your job so that you can easily integrate it into the things that you're working on.
Right.
So it's very important to have a good understanding of all of these facets, not just the one that you're studying in school.
Right.